Live sa opisina ni Mayor Maria Victoria Pizarro, the Mayor of Municipality of Don Carlos, Bukidnon. Mayor, any updates po sa dito sa lungsod mo?
What particular updates?
Particular in your kanang mga programs, activities, yes.
Actually, we have an ongoing 100 million first trans na sports complex in Poblacion Norte, funded by the office of Senator Mig Zubiri. And we have also to be constructed the AA slaughterhouse diri sa among lungsod sa Don Carlos to be placed at Pinamaloy, Don Carlos, and it will be funded by PRDP, and the equity is, the 10% equity is coming from the province of Bukidnon under the office of Honorable Governor Roque, and the lot is donated by my family, Antanillas family, half hectare. Then ongoing ang among 20 million din na plaza development, and also the fund came from the office of Honorable Governor Roque. And padayon ang among development sa among Lake Pinamaloy, which is the only landmark sa atong lungsod sa Don Carlos. And of course, Bukidnon Airport, which according to Senator Mig Zubiri to be inaugurated next year, hopefully. And the first to fly is only for domestic flights, only either Cebu and Manila.
So how about Mayor sa imong peace and order here in Don Carlos, Bukidnon?
We just have our NPOC and MADAC yesterday, and spare meeting namo is generally peaceful ang lungsod sa Don Carlos.
So, ikapila na nimo nga term karon, Mayor? Is this your ikaduha? So, with regards also, Mayor, to your kanang naba kay upcoming nga mga events this coming October, since it's October 1 today, no?
October is Senior Citizens Month and an IP month.
IP month. So, when is the program, Mayor? The exact date?
Last week na of October.
Last week of October. So, how about, Mayor, sa mga diri sa imuhang kaning mga constituents, no? Mga